Even though guava is very popular in Asia, it is not well known in the West. But slowly, it is becoming more common. This is especially true as more health benefits are found. The fruit's flesh is white or maroonish in color. It has a round or pear shape. Its skin is pale green or yellow. When fully ripe, it has a soft creamy texture, a sweet, musky scent. Apart from its unique flavor and aroma, guava is a superfruit. This is because of all of its health-enhancing properties. In addition to the fruit, guava bark and leaves have several health advantages. Guavas are unique from other fruits. They don't need as many chemical pesticides as grapes, apples, and other exotic fruits to repel insects. Therefore, this is one of the least sprayed and chemically treated fruits. Here are a few amazing and unexpected health advantages of guava. 1. Regulates diabetes. Guava has long been used in Chinese medicine to treat diabetes. It has a lot of fiber and a low glycemic index. Their low glycemic index keeps sugar levels from going up quickly. Their fiber helps with digestion. 2. Increases immunity. Guava is crucial for boosting your immunity because of its high vitamin C. Guava's anti-inflammatory properties and capacity to block inflammatory chemicals like prostaglandins contribute to its ability to keep you healthy. Consider consuming one guava every day. This will help you build resistance to common illnesses like the flu, colds, and coughs. Guava can be enjoyed in smoothies, salads, or as a daily cup of guava leaf tea. 3. Enhances eyesight. Guavas are a fantastic source of vitamin A. This is great for eye health. Macular degeneration and cataract development can all be slowed by eating guavas. 4. Improves heart health. A 1993 study found that regularly eating guava fruit helps lower blood pressure and blood cholesterol levels. This is because it contains potassium, vitamin C, lycopene, and soluble fiber. Potassium helps keep blood flowing efficiently and our heartbeats steady. It can help to lower blood pressure. Vitamin C protects our tiny blood vessels. Soluble fiber helps with digestion and helps lower bad cholesterol. The lycopene in pink-fleshed guava makes it less likely that you will get heart disease if you eat this fruit often. 5. Encourages weight loss. The guava fruit is particularly beneficial for weight loss. Guava has a lot less sugar compared to apples, oranges, and grapes, and many other fruit. If you eat a medium-sized guava at lunch, you won't feel hungry again until after dinner. Lycopene contains amazing antioxidant properties that can support heart health. It can help maintain a good metabolism and can help in the efficient absorption of nutrients. Lycopene is also great for supporting vision. 6. Reduces risk of cancer. Guava contains compounds like lycopene, quercetin, vitamin C, and wonderful polyphenols. These are known to have anti-cancer and anti-tumor effects. These compounds have strong antioxidant properties. They help protect the body from damage caused by cancer-causing free radicals. Some researchers have found that guava extract may help shrink prostate cancers. Men may be less likely to get prostate cancer if they use guava extract every day. Regularly eating guava can help keep cancers like breast, oral, skin, stomach, colon, lung cancer from happening. 7. Strengthens oral health. Guava leaves' anti-plaque qualities are useful for preventing and treating oral health issues. Herbalists advise using guava paste made from guava leaves to help keep teeth clean. Guava leaves' anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antibacterial qualities can aid in treating gum irritation. It can also help you achieve a clean, fresh breath. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.